I have this really bad
Simple Dimple DIY fidget. I need to go scam someone for some more fidgets. Who wants to offer for this really rare Simple Dimple? There's only one of it in the world. Oh, can I offer? Can I offer? Yeah, sure. What's your offer? I'll offer this tangle. Well, you need to add like a lot because this Simple Dimple is super rare. I'll add all my poppets, a pink stress ball, and a squishy. Okay guys, so she's super over, but I'm gonna tell her to add because I want to get her whole inventory. You need a lot more. Okay, I'll add my pin art, a shaky wand, a giant squishy, and a boogie board. Okay, I'm still a little bit over, but I'll accept. Haha, you got scammed.